Hello students, we started with the chapter Government Budget and the Economy in previous video, and we have already seen what does the government budget means and its overall structure. Now let us see some of the features, objectives and one of the important topic that is related to budget deficit in this video. Okay, so some of the features of budget I have written here that it is estimate and not actual statement. So this we have already seen in the meaning that the government budget is an estimate. Okay, it is not the actual receipts or payments, but it is an estimate. It is prepared annually. So budget is prepared for every year. Annually it is prepared. Okay, it is presented by the finance minister of the country before parliament by the permission of president. So budget preparation takes place annually. It is a constitutional requirement. So in constitution it is mentioned about the preparation of budget. So it is also a constitutional requirement to make the budget. Revenue and expenditure are planned as per budget. So whatever expenditure and the revenue of the government takes place throughout the year, that is done as per the budget. Okay, how it is mentioned in the budget. Some objectives of budget are reallocation of resources. Means why budget is prepared we are seeing. Okay, so through the help of budget we reallocate our resources. That whatever shortcomings are there in the resources whatever we are having, we try to reallocate them, okay, for the betterment of the economy. Economic stability. So if we are spending so much and we are earning very less, so through budget we come to know about that what is the expenditure and receipt position, and through that we try to achieve the economic stability. We try to control our expenditure, we try to earn more and more, and we try to stabilize our economy. Economic equality. So we know that there is a big gap between the rich and the poor, okay, and through the budget we allocate those resources. We try to spend more on the poor people so that we can make the economy more equal. Okay, we can decrease the gap between the rich and poor. Managing public enterprises. So through budget government tries to manage those public sector units which are going in loss, which are not earning so much profit. So through budget government tries to recover that. Okay, now we will see the important topic of budget, deficit. So first of all, what is a deficit? See here, deficit represents the condition where our expenditure is more than the receipts. Okay, we are earning less but we are doing more expenditure. So this is the condition of deficit. And budget deficit is of three types. First one is revenue deficit. We already have seen the revenue budget. So revenue deficit, when revenue expenditure is more than revenue receipt. Or how to find out the revenue deficit? Revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. When we will do this, we can easily find out the revenue deficit. Whatever will come in revenue expenditure. So we have seen the revenue expenditure, we have seen the revenue receipts. Just we need to minus expenditure and receipt, and we will get the revenue deficit. Next one is fiscal deficit. Here the word fiscal, it represents financial year, okay, or throughout the year. So in fiscal deficit, total expenditure minus total receipts we will do. Okay, here total expenditure will include both revenue expenditure also and capital expenditure also. Then minus total receipts. So in receipts also revenue receipts as well as capital receipts both will be included, and the total expenditure throughout the year minus total receipts throughout the year will be equal to fiscal deficit. One thing here, in total receipts, okay, we have to exclude borrowings. It means that in total receipts we will not include the amount of borrowings. Okay, one more thing is that whatever answer that we get of fiscal deficit, that is our borrowings only. That is the reason why we do not include borrowings here. Next one is primary deficit. So what is primary deficit? Fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit we can find by using this formula. So fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Interest payments here is whatever amount that we have borrowed in last year, okay, previous year. For that amount we will have to pay interest this year. So this interest payment is that one. This is the amount which is the interest of previous year's loan. So from this year's fiscal deficit, when we will minus the interest payment, we will come to primary deficit. So students, this was all about the features of budget, objectives of budget and the types of budget that we have seen. Thank you.